Arrange to play sports. Beginner Level 2, General English. Lesson 8, Learn English with Deep. What's your favorite sport? What are the sports? Play badminton. Play basketball. Play football. Play is used with ball sports or competitive sports where we play against another person or team. What sports do you like playing? I like playing badminton. I like playing basketball. I like playing football. What are the sports? Do athletics. Do karate. Do yoga. Do is used for non-team sports that don't use a ball. What sports do you enjoy doing? I enjoy doing athletics. I enjoy doing karate. I enjoy doing yoga. What are the sports? Go cycling. Go running. Go swimming. Go is used with sports that end with ing. What sports do you love? I love going cycling. I love going running. I love going swimming. What activities do you not do? Sorry, but I don't like to play badminton. Sorry, but I don't know how to do athletics. Sorry, but I can't go cycling. Fill in the gaps. Hey, Gabriella, are you busy today?
Hi. No, I'm free in the evening.
Great. Do you like to play basketball?
Sorry, but I don't like to play basketball. How about we play football?
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay. How about today at 7 p.m.?
Great. See you then.
See you then.
Arrange to play sports with a new friend.
Hey Pablo, are you busy tomorrow?
Hi. No, I'm free tomorrow in the afternoon.
Great. Do you like to do karate?
Sorry, but I don't know how to do karate. How about we do yoga?
Okay, that sounds good.
How about tomorrow at 2 p.m.?
Great. See you then.